The Steamies of Sodor Christmas Hunt. Hi everyone, welcome to Zizah's PlayStation, where we play, learn, and of course, run trains. This is one of the train sets that we got him for the holidays. There are 10 Steamies in there, so we figured instead of giving him the whole set, why not give him one train a day for the holidays? Some kind of fun activity for him to do up to Christmas and even after. And we started with Rebecca. Rebecca is hidden somewhere in the backyard, but before we go hunting, let's learn a little bit more about her. She is a very cheerful and happy engine. She is painted. Rebecca always sees and enjoys helping everyone around her feel good about themselves. Despite her warm nature, Rebecca is not afraid to stand up for herself or her friends. She is a big, strong, tender engine who is not intimidated by the more experienced engines on the railway. Rebecca is the number 22 engine. Okay, as I said, she's hidden somewhere in the backyard, so let's go hunting for engine number 22, Rebecca. Where's Rebecca? What happened? What's this right here? You want to follow the green trail? Follow the green trail. Follow the green trail. What's in the box?
Hey, Victor, what are you up to? Oh, hello, Rebecca. Hey, my name is Rebecca. I like the color yellow. How are you gonna work and how in it? Hurry, Rebecca. Nice work.
You have to be careful.
Be careful. Oh, no.
You want some ice cream?
Nah, you saw ice cream to the how to work.
On day one, on the island of Sodor, there was only one, Rebecca.
And how she fell. Go, Rebecca.
Go, Rebecca.
You did it.
You did
Try
it.
it. That is she fell. Oh, you get it. She fell. Fell it. Look out. Look out, Rebecca. Ah. Rebecca. Rebecca. Look out. Oh. How? This is him. How? Whoa! How did he get to the work? Not again!
This was our very first upload to YouTube for the Zizah PlayStation. If you like what you saw, please let us know by giving us a little like and subscribe and share. And of course, tell us what you think about the content in the comment section. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.